Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can reduce the data consumption on Windows 11. So I'm going to show you a few steps. So the first step is just simply go to your settings by right click on your start menu and just simply go to settings. Then go to network internet, then go to internet or Wi-Fi, whichever you are using. Now in that setting, just simply enable the option called metered connection over here. Just simply enable this. Now after doing that, let's move on to the next step. And now the next step is just simply enter a data limit. So for doing that, again go to your start menu, settings, network and internet. Then either you can click on advanced network settings or just simply click on data usage over here. Just simply go to advanced network option, then data usage. Both the settings will bring you to this particular page. Now over here, just simply enter a limit. You can make it monthly, one time, or unlimited if you want to. Then you can enter the reset date over here. And after that you can enter the amount like 100 GB for example. Now just simply click on units and choose GB, and in the end just simply click on save and your data will be limited. So after doing that, let's move on to the next step. So the next step is just simply disable all the startup apps which uses high internet usage. So for doing that, again right click on your start menu and click on task manager, then click on startups. Now in startup, just simply disable all the applications that uses high data usage like Discord, Epic Games, or any type of browser, or even Spotify. Just simply disable all of them, like Steam as well. So just simply disable all of them, right click and disable. Then after doing all of that, let's move on to the next step. So the next step is disable Windows Update. So for doing that, again right click on your start menu, settings, Windows Update. Then just simply click on pause for 1 week. Then after doing that, close the window and let's move on to the next step. Now in the next step, just simply disable the Windows Update from the services panel in Windows. So for doing that, open your start menu and search for services. Then open services. Now over here, just simply search for Windows Update. You can just simply click on any name and press in W and search for Windows Update. As you can see over here, so just simply double click on it or right click on properties. Then in the setup type, click on the drop box and choose disable. Then hit start. Then click on apply, then OK. Then just simply close the window, and now let's move on to the next step. Now for the next setting, what you have to do is just simply open your app store. So just simply open your start menu and go to Microsoft Store. Then in the Microsoft Store, go into your profile. Then click on settings. Now in settings, firstly just simply disable auto updates and disable video autoplay. Just simply disable this, then close the window, and let's move on to the next step. Now for the next step, just simply disable maps. So for doing that, again right click on your start menu, settings, apps, then offline maps. Then over here you will find the option called map updates. Just simply click on that and choose disable. So after that, moving on to the next step. Now for the last step, what you have to do is just simply change background application settings. So for doing that, again right click on your start menu, settings, apps, installed apps. Then just simply choose the apps which use a lot of data, like for example mail and calendar. So just simply click on the three dots over here and choose advanced option. Now in advanced option, go to background app permission, click on the drop box and choose never. Now again go back and do this for all the applications in the list mentioned over here. But just for information, you cannot change this setting in all the applications that is installed in your system. So for example, in Premiere Pro, if you click on the three dots, you will not find the advanced option over here. So you have to see which application actually has the option, then disable that option over there. Like for example, in Media Player, if I click on the three dots, there will be the option. So click on the advanced option, then go to background and app permission, click on the drop box and choose never. And that's it. So thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.